Alright, so this is going to be another quick test. So this is bedroom fire alarm test 7. Let's go over all devices. Up there, smokes are the same. But over on the notification appliance, we have a Gentex Commander 3, model GEC3-24WW. I believe the strobe is on 60 candela, and the horn is on 2400 Hz code 3. Underneath, we've got a nice and standard Firelight BD12. That is the only thing we're going to be doing today, just because I have to make this quick. So, push in, pull down. Says in the video. As always, thanks for watching. Be sure to check out my Groupme eBay, both are in the description. Thank you and have a great day.